Yeah, hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home bodyweight workout. Today I'm going to do a chest workout using the table and also the chairs here to do two different exercises, basically simultaneously. Here I'm going to do basically a chest push-up, using the table. And here I'm going to use the chairs to do a push-up with the chairs, but I'm going to go below the plane a little bit. So I can start here, and I've set them up so that I can just do them in succession. When I'm doing these exercises with the table, I can do them, I can change my hand position. I can actually do it really close in for a nice kind of inner chest workout. And I can do them at shoulder width, or I can do them even wider, wider than shoulder. So today, just to demonstrate, I'm going to do them just at shoulder width. And as I do the exercises, move over some of them in between the chairs. I'm doing them at shoulder width, and I just cross one foot over the other. Okay, I want to put a maximum amount of weight against against my body. So when I'm moving up, so I'm going to angle my body in such a way that the maximum amount of my body weight is against me. Okay, so I put my feet in such a way that my body weight is against me. Okay, so if I'm here, for example, then not much of my body weight is against me. So if I move my legs out further, move my feet out further, I can maximize the body weight that's actually against me. Okay? And this is actually a very good home body weight, home chest workout. And just breathe normally as you're doing it. It's actually not terribly difficult, this one. Just make sure you're always in control of the motion. Come all the way down to your chest, and you will feel it after a while. Okay, so it's not a terribly difficult exercise, but you will feel it. You will feel it very, like a lot of pain and discomfort after a while of doing a few of them. All right, so let's go back into the next exercise. So this is basically just almost the same, but in a lower angle. And I'm going below the surface. Again, I'm putting my feet out fairly far because I want my body weight to work against me. To the maximum amount, I want my body weight against me to make the exercise as difficult as possible. Okay, and after doing those ones, that gets a little more difficult. All right, so if you need a rest, take a rest in between. If not, just kind of get back into it. The point is to kind of shock your muscles, to really get them to work out hard. Okay, and you will notice it gets quite a bit more difficult as you do more and more of them. It's quite a bit more difficult. The first couple sets are not too difficult, and then it gets harder and harder, which is good. It shows that you're really working out. That you're getting a good workout. And obviously, this table, you can use any table. This one is quite high. It's quite a high table, like a cafe table. All right, so, all right, and then let's go right back into this one. Okay. And again, I want my body weight to work against me as much as possible. So I am, I'm having my body weight work against me by angling my feet, pulling my feet back, and so my body weight works against me. So it's maximum body weight, which is important when you're doing body weight exercises. Okay, so let's go back into this one. All right. So yeah, just keep going. Again, if you need a rest in between, feel free to take one. Just not too long. Don't be like some guys in the gym that just sit there and talk the whole time and do a couple sets and then just talk the rest of the time. It's not really doing anything. Not really doing anyone any good. This exercise where you do the high push-up, it really seems to target the muscle, the chest muscles really well for some reason. It's the angle, it's the higher angle, and just the way that it works your muscles out. It's really effective. All right, let's try one more time. And shoulder width, feet back. Okay, and as you're coming down, just try to hold it a little bit. Hold it on the way down. And then go right to the next exercise. So doing them in succession just really shocks your muscles, from rest to hard work, And, yeah. So you can really max out on these and work your muscles to, multiple failure points, multiple maximum failure points. So I'm kind of beyond the midpoint, so I'm going to flex a little bit for 20 minutes, just kind of give myself a little bit of extra pump, a little pump to my muscles and tear the muscles a little bit more. So I just do this for about 20 seconds and give myself a little bit of extra pump and tear in the muscles. Okay, so that should probably be long enough. And then go right back into the next exercise. Don't rest too long in between sets. Okay. Yeah, you will start to notice it after a while. It really starts to, affect your muscles. You really start to feel it. Okay, let's get to the next one. Okay, and then, as long as you keep doing them, you will fatigue your muscles pretty quickly. It's just kind of shocking your muscles into developing, shocking your muscles into building and developing. Okay, let's go back into this one here. Just keep going until you reach your multiple points of failure. Okay. Yeah, and you will feel it after a while. Whew. So it's an excellent chest workout, especially when you do them in succession. You can do them at the same time, like jumping back and forth, or you can finish one and do the other to add an extra variation to your workout. Don't do your workout the same way all the time. Mix it up. Okay, so yeah, I've reached a few pretty good points of failure, but I'm just going to keep going. If you're a beginner level, try to reach only maybe 2 to 3 points of failure. Don't go for your max. And even if you are experienced, you don't have to go for the max all the time. It can actually be counterproductive. Okay. All right. Back here. Yeah, even if you're an experienced, if you're a more advanced exercise and workout enthusiast, maybe only max out maybe one time a month or something, 1 or 2 times a month. Okay. All right. So I've reached a few points of failure, getting close to the terminal failure point of my muscles for today, for today's workout. So just going to flex a little bit more, maybe for about 15, 20 seconds. Again, just to add a little tear, an extra tear to the muscles. Okay. All right, let's go right back into it. Let's try to finish off this exercise as quickly as possible. And again, this exercise is a really awkward position. It's an awkward position for your chest, so it really works your chest well. The high angle table there. Okay. So I've reached a few pretty nice points of failure. I feel like I've got a pretty good workout. So what I want to do now is I just want to do a hold, okay? An isometric hold exercise, okay? So just get at about the midpoint, the same hand position. Just kind of hold it as long as you can, just to get a different exercise in there. All right, just hold it as long as you can. Then let's go back to the other one. Do the same thing. On the midway point, the pivot point, just hold it. As long as you can. Okay. And that's just another variation on your workout. It's another exercise that you can do to add a little bit of extra, difficulty to the exercise and variation. Variation is very important, not just in home body weight workouts, but in other workouts as well. So that is a very nice and very effective chest workout that you can do, really quickly at home. Fantastic, gives you a nice little pump in a very short amount of time just using a table, a couple stools, a couple chairs, anything you can find at home. And again, you can vary the angles with different types of implements. Fantastic workout. Anyway, this is Byron. So everyone stay motivated to work out at home. Keep working hard, and everyone stay strong out there. Okay? See you next time. Thank you.